In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cart icon in Shopify Dawn theme. First, get your new icon ready. Find a custom SVG you like and download the file to your computer. Open that SVG in a plain text or code editor so you can see the raw markup. You only need the SVG element and its inner content. Remove any XML prologue or comments. Make sure the SVG has a proper viewbox attribute and that paths or shapes are present. If the file includes width and height, you can leave them, or rely on viewbox for scalable sizing. Copy the entire element and its contents to your clipboard. A quick tip: keeping attributes like aria hidden true or role img can help accessibility, while removing any script or external references keeps the file safe. Next, access your Shopify theme code. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Themes. Locate the Dawn theme you're using, click the three-dot menu, and select Edit Code. This opens the theme editor where you'll find folders and template files. Before making changes, it's wise to copy the existing icon code into a separate text document so you can revert quickly if needed. Now replace the icon code. In the snippets folder, find the files named iconcart.liquid and iconcart.empty.liquid. Open one of these files and delete all of its existing content. Paste the SVG markup you copied earlier directly into the file. Save the change, then repeat the process for the other file so both the filled and empty cart states show your new icon. Make sure you saved both files, otherwise the theme may still show the old icon in one state. Finally, preview and publish your change. Click the Preview Store button to load your storefront and inspect the cart icon in the header or wherever it appears. If the icon looks correct, your change is effectively live. If it doesn't look right, go back into each snippet and confirm the SVG code is complete, free of extra headers, and contains a valid viewbox. Clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window can help verify the update. If you ever need to revert, paste the original code you saved earlier back into the snippet files. Following these steps will give you a clean, scalable cart icon in Dawn without touching theme templates. Take it slowly, save backups, and you'll be done in just a few minutes.